Alright folks, here comes Amtrak 5, the California Zephyr. This train is going to Roseville. Here it comes now at Roseville station. You can see the big boy on the right hand side of my video right now. So here comes Amtrak California Zephyr number 5 on its way to the station right now. 2 P42 Genesis leading off. The trains are going very slow due to the high weather and the heat. Trains are going very slow due to this high temperature weather. P42 number 72 leads off. Thank you for the horn show. P42 DC number 72 leads off. And P42 number 27, I think. No, not 27, 29. That train is blowing up a horn show. Hey, it's our friend again. Good to see you again. Alright folks, this train is making a pit stop here at Roseville station. We'll be headed to Roseville. We'll be right back after these commercial break on the California Zephyr, train number 5, not 6, 5. Alright folks, we are back. This is Amtrak California Zephyr number 5. I'm falling out of Roseville station. Eric Fong is on this train. He's going back to the Bay Area. There it goes, on to Roseville. Final stop, Roseville. Continue on to Sacramento, Davis, Martinez, Richmond, and the final stop for that train is Roseville. I'm Marcel Hall. Have a good one. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.